Welcome to the Jackson Clinics Brambleton, inside Sport&Health, specializing in sports rehabilitation.
One of 15 The Jackson Clinics in Virginia.
Here, lives are changed.
Big step, big step. Good job.
Improved.
So 1, 2,
and
3.
Normalcy is restored.
That's better.
So I'm already running reps on heavier weights with leg extensions. My injury, not being able to do martial arts, is something that I do with my daughter, who also does martial arts, and it's a family thing.
It's amazing to see that spectrum, how somebody couldn't move and now they're back to everyday life.
Micah Leggett says the Jackson Clinics was a game changer.
The impact for me for coming here is life-changing, life-preserving.
Micah and her son have been patients for years. Then after her daughter Reese was born with a joint condition, schedules and care got complicated.
I had been driving back and forth to Philadelphia for her care. So Kristen was on board with seeing her and working with the doctors in Philadelphia so that we had a continuity of care.
The Jackson Clinics was able to meet each of their needs with unprecedented care, all in one place.
For me, what sets them apart was, one, just their willingness to work with what my goals were.
That same level of expertise and specialized care is exactly what brought Alan Thomas here after tearing his ACL and LCL.
I was looking online for a sports physical therapist because those are the only people I trust, or people who deal with athletes, and Jackson came up.
Yes, at the Jackson Clinics, they don't just help athletes, they are athletes. These physical therapists are marathon runners, soccer players, figure skaters, among others.
If I have a skater who comes in and say, I hurt when I come down from my double axel on my knee, I understand what that means.
Every visit, patients meet with a physical therapist for 30 minutes of hands-on treatment, and then an exercise specialist to help put that therapy into action. And a game plan is given that you can take home or put into action right here at Sport&Health. It's why PT student Kevin Galang chose to do his volunteer work at the Jackson Clinics.
I think it's huge, especially if you're working with any type of athletes, youth athletes or adult athlete. You can go straight from your rehab into your training to start to get better at your sport.
Making a difference is the mission of the Jackson Clinics.
Yeah, we just like to be able to give back and help out in the communities that we serve.
They invite you to stop in for a tour.
If you're a member of the Sport&Health, peek inside, you may find the Jackson Clinics.
Let the Jackson Clinics help you and your family get back to optimum health. Visit for physical therapy, athletic services, strength training, aquatic therapy, custom orthotics, and dry needling. Or just visit the website at thejacksonclinics.com. And now the Jackson Clinics and Sport&Health partnership make it very easy for you to visit our offices without having to worry about childcare. Visit any The Jackson Clinics inside a Sport&Health club, and your kids can enjoy the use of the Kids Club during your treatment time. How's that for easy? Now there's no excuse. We'll see you at the Jackson Clinics.